Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the beeping sound that your buttons make on your Casio Royale. So this is going to be the Casio AE-1200WH. As you can see right now, if I press the mode button, you'll be able to hear this beeping sound that my buttons are going to make. In case you want for your watch to be muted, what we want to do is to press and hold the mode button, and you will see that we have a mute written right here, so the top right corner. Now if I press the mode button, you'll be able to see that everything is working just fine, but we do not have the beeping sound. In order to go back, so to switch back to the beeping sound, I'm going to press and hold once again the mode button, and it is going to remove the mute from the top right corner, and you also heard the beeping sound. So at this point, the beeping sound is on. If you want to watch the full guide, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below with all the functions and features. I also have a tutorial on how to replace the watch battery. And also, if you are into these types of watches, I also have a video on how to mod it. So you can see I have here one that was modded by me. I have all these subdials with different colors. I'm also going to leave it for sale on our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below. You can check it out because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, so I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy. So that was the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'm going to see you in the next video.